Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a quick video about how you can prep your beauty supply bundle hair. I'm using the Mytresses Outre gold label hair that I purchased from Ebony line. As you can see, this is the shortest length in 10 inches and the longest length in 22. Then the longer you go, the thinner the weft will appear, but it is double wefted and looks really good. So I'm excited to see how it looks when it's all installed. Of course, I'm not using all of those bundles, but I wanted to make sure I had ample hair to get the full look that I desire for my install. The hair came in a natural brown and a natural black, so I wanted to show you guys what each one looks like because the natural black is pre-colored for your convenience. Like any hair that comes out of the pack, it's going to be a bit frizzy, and as you can see, there were some filler hairs in there, but it is 90% human hair for the most part. Now you're going to set your sink and use a shampoo of your choice. I use the black Jamaican castor oil so that way we can have a high level shampoo to make sure that the hair is washed out in the best way possible. And I made sure that my water was cool to warm because we don't want to stress out the curl pattern. As you can see, I simply just dip it through and you see some of that dye coming out, which I'm kind of glad I did a pre-wash for it, which you should do for any bundle hair that you get in general. This process took a bit of time to really rinse them all through. I had to keep on refilling the sink and using fresh water because there was quite a bit of dye. But I repeated the process over and over until the water got relatively clear enough for me to feel comfortable with going to the conditioning step, which, as you know, I use silicone mix on my real hair and on my bundle hair. It is a staple for your bundles. It will take any bundle, whether it's new or old, and allow it to retain its curl pattern and bounce back. Because as you know, silicone mix just does an incredible job of maintaining moisture in curly hair. So I am going to do an install with leave out. So I wanted to rinse one of the bundles with some hair rinse so that way it blends with my natural hair from the root to the first bundle. I didn't do it throughout the entire hair. And yeah, I did use a light, soft black color just so that it can blend. I don't want to have leave out that looks choppy or is a bit off color from my real hair because I am relaxed. I put all the hair in a plastic bag and I allow it to condition overnight. This is all the hair that came out in the process, which is pretty good for some 9A hair. I went back and looked at the packaging and it did say that this hair was non-processed human hair. Now, I don't know if it's 9A, but I will give it a 7A because there is quite a bit of fillers, as you can see. I don't know if that was intentional or just some thread that got caught up in the rapture of putting it together, but they did a great job of letting you know what to expect from the hair in the packaging. This is the next day, you guys. It is air drying as we speak. It maintained the curl pattern, but the curls did drop a bit, which I'm sure they'll bounce back once they dry, but the curls pretty much maintained this pattern for the most part, and I really like how it's looking. It's very soft because of the silicone mix, and it's drying very well. So we're going to leave it there for a little bit longer to continue air drying until we get to the next phase. This is the hair at about, I want to say 75% dry. Again, the curls are coming back. It's really soft. It's looking great. And this is what the hair looks like when it is completely air dried. Now, you guys, I want to make sure that you know this is just to teach you guys how to prep your beauty supply bundle hair because I didn't see a lot of dialogue about that on YouTube. So if you found this tutorial to be helpful for you in working with your beauty supply bundle hair, please make sure that you like and subscribe. I'm really excited to do a review and to get this install in. We are going to blow this hair out for the install, but I'm also going to revert it back to its curly state so you guys can see what to expect when you get hair like this from the beauty supply. Here's a close-up look. These curls are stunning, but you can see some of those filler hairs popping out. But it's as to be expected when you pay under $100 for that much hair. So if you like this review and want to check it out, please check the description. I did get it at ebonyline.com. And make sure that you like and subscribe. And this was my finished look. Stay tuned for the next video where I give you a 1-month review on this hair. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.